Ever wondered why your skin just doesn't behave like everyone else's? Ever been told it's because you're not moisturizing enough or you're not drinking enough water? Well, it's time to debunk some myths about eczema. So, let's dive right in. Have you ever heard that eczema is contagious? This is one of the most common myths out there. But don't worry, you can't catch eczema from someone else, nor can you pass it on. Eczema is not an infectious disease. It's a complex condition that's actually linked to your immune system and genetics. So, rest assured, you're not spreading anything except maybe a bit of dry skin. Now here's another one. Is eczema just a sign of poor hygiene? Absolutely not. Eczema is not caused by being dirty. In fact, overwashing can sometimes even exacerbate the condition as it can strip the skin of its natural oils. So, while maintaining good hygiene is important for overall health, it's not the culprit behind eczema. But what about the idea that eczema is just dry skin? Well, that's not quite right either. While dry, itchy skin is a symptom of eczema, it's far more than just that. Eczema is a chronic condition characterized by inflammation and a compromised skin barrier, which leads to skin that's more susceptible to irritants and allergens. It's a cycle that's more complex than simply not applying enough lotion. And finally, there's the notion that drinking more water will cure your eczema. While staying hydrated is definitely good for your overall health and can help maintain skin hydration, it's not a cure-all for eczema. Eczema is a long-term condition that requires a comprehensive approach to manage, and while drinking water can be part of that, it's not the magic solution some make it out to be. As we've seen, there's a lot of misinformation about eczema out there, but don't worry, by the end of this video you'll be an expert on the subject. So, what exactly is eczema? Is it just an annoying rash or is there more to it? Well, let's dive in and demystify this condition. Eczema, also known as atopic dermatitis, is not just a simple skin rash. It's a chronic condition that causes inflammation of the skin, leading to red, itchy, and sometimes painful patches. Now, imagine your skin as a fortress. Under normal circumstances, it acts as a barrier, protecting your body from external threats like bacteria, allergens, and irritants. But when you have eczema, this barrier is compromised. It's like your fortress has a few broken walls, allowing these external invaders to sneak in. This breach then triggers an immune response, causing inflammation. But that's not all. This compromised skin barrier also struggles to retain moisture, leading to dryness. Now, dry skin might seem like a minor inconvenience, but it can result in intense itching. And here's where it gets tricky. Scratching these itchy patches can further damage your skin barrier, allowing more irritants in and leading to even more inflammation. It's a vicious cycle. Another important aspect of eczema is that it's not contagious. You can't catch it from someone else and you can't pass it on. It's a condition that's often related to an overactive immune system and genetic factors. While eczema typically appears in early childhood, it can also develop later in life. The severity and course of the condition can vary greatly from person to person. Some may experience mild symptoms that come and go, while others may have severe, persistent eczema. Despite these challenges, understanding eczema is crucial. It helps you realize that it's not just about dealing with a troublesome rash. It's about managing a chronic condition that affects the skin's function and your overall well-being. And here's the good news. While there's currently no cure for eczema, there are many treatments available that can help manage symptoms, improve your skin's barrier function, and enhance your quality of life. Understanding eczema is the first step towards managing it. Remember, it's not just a skin-deep issue. Did you know there's more than one type of eczema? Yes, it's a broad term that encompasses various conditions. Let's dive into the world of eczema and explore its different types. There are 7 main types of eczema, each with its unique characteristics. First up, we have atopic dermatitis. This is the most common form of eczema and usually develops in early childhood. It's characterized by dry, itchy skin and rashes that can appear anywhere on the body. It's believed to be caused by a combination of genetic and environmental factors. Next is contact dermatitis. This type of eczema is a reaction to something that irritates the skin or causes an allergic response. The skin may become red, itchy, and inflamed, and blisters may even form. Common triggers include soaps, detergents, and certain metals. Then we have dyshydrotic eczema. This type of eczema causes small, itchy blisters to form on the hands and feet. It's more common in women than men and is often associated with allergies or stress. Let's move on to nummular eczema, also known as discoid eczema. This type is characterized by round, coin-shaped spots that can be itchy and scaly. It's more common in men and can be triggered by dry skin or injuries. Seborrheic dermatitis is another type of eczema that primarily affects the scalp, but can also occur on other oily areas of the body. It causes red, scaly patches and can lead to dandruff. Next is stasis dermatitis, which is related to poor circulation, often in the lower legs. This type of eczema causes the skin to become discolored, swollen, and itchy. Lastly, we have neurodermatitis. This form of eczema starts with a patch of itchy skin, but the itchiness can intensify if you scratch it, leading to a vicious cycle. Recognizing the type of eczema you're dealing with can help you find the most effective treatment. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation. Can your lifestyle affect eczema? Absolutely. Your habits can either soothe or aggravate your skin condition. Now let's explore how our daily choices play a significant role in managing eczema. First off, diet. It's no secret that what we put inside our bodies can manifest on our skin. Certain foods may trigger eczema flare-ups, while others can soothe inflammation. For instance, foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and chia seeds are known to reduce inflammation and promote healthier skin. On the other hand, consuming a lot of dairy, gluten, and processed foods might exacerbate eczema symptoms for some. Remember, everyone's body reacts differently, so it's important to identify your dietary triggers. Next, we have stress. Chronic stress doesn't just wreak havoc on your mental health, it can also exacerbate your eczema. You see, stress triggers a cascade of hormonal responses that can cause inflammation in your body, leading to more severe eczema flare-ups. It's essential to incorporate stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga, or even just a simple walk in the park into your routine. Now let's talk about sleep. Poor sleep quality can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to eczema flare-ups. It's crucial to prioritize a good night's sleep for your overall health and skin condition. Establishing a regular sleep schedule and creating a calming bedtime routine can help you achieve this. Lastly, environmental factors. Things like harsh soaps, synthetic fabrics, and even certain weather conditions can trigger eczema. Being mindful of these factors and making appropriate adjustments can significantly help manage your symptoms. In conclusion, managing eczema is not just about topical treatments and medication. It's about adopting a holistic approach that includes diet, stress management, sleep, and awareness of environmental triggers. Eczema is more than a skin condition, it's a reflection of your overall health and lifestyle. So, what have we learned about eczema today? Let's summarize the key points. Firstly, we've debunked some common myths about eczema. It's not contagious, it's not a result of poor hygiene, and it's certainly not a curse. These misconceptions only serve to stigmatize those living with eczema and prevent them from seeking appropriate help. Secondly, we've understood what eczema truly is, a group of conditions that cause the skin to become red, itchy, and inflamed. It's a chronic issue, meaning it's a long-term condition that often includes periods of flare-ups and remission. Thirdly, we've explored the different types of eczema. Though atopic dermatitis is the most common form, there are several others too, like contact dermatitis, dyshidrotic eczema, and nummular eczema. Each type has its own unique triggers and symptoms, making it crucial to get a proper diagnosis for effective treatment. Fourthly, and perhaps most importantly, we delved into the critical role of lifestyle in managing eczema. Your everyday habits, from your diet to your stress levels, can significantly influence your eczema symptoms. Simple changes like maintaining a regular skincare routine, using gentle, fragrance-free products, wearing soft, breathable fabrics, and managing stress can make a world of difference. Remember, dealing with eczema is not just about treating the symptoms. It's about understanding your body, identifying your triggers, and making thoughtful lifestyle adjustments to keep your skin happy and healthy. Eczema may be a lifelong condition, but with the right knowledge and approach, you can help your skin heal. Remember, your skin is not your enemy, it's just trying to tell you something. Let's wrap up this enlightening journey with some empowering words for all the eczema warriors out there. Remember, your skin is not your enemy. It's just trying to tell you something. It's communicating its needs, its discomfort, its plea for care and attention, and you, as its guardian, have the power to help it heal. You are not defined by your eczema, and it does not diminish your worth or your beauty. Your strength lies in the resilience you show every day, in the patience with which you handle flare-ups, and in the courage with which you embrace your skin, eczema and all. No matter how tough the day, remember, you are tougher, and remember too, that you're not alone in this journey. There's a whole community of eczema warriors out there, ready to share their stories, their tips, and their support. So, keep learning, keep taking care of your skin, and keep being the amazing person you are. And don't forget to subscribe to Bodyology Central for more insights into your health. Together, we can better understand our bodies, take control of our health, and lead happier, healthier lives. Until next time, stay strong, stay positive, and remember, your skin is not your enemy, it's just trying to tell you something.